Good morning, Pacers, and welcome to Thursday, April the 23rd, 2020. I'm Miss Bockelman, and I'm excited to be bringing you the morning announcements. If you'll please rise and join me in saying the Pledge of Allegiance and honoring a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we pause for a moment of silence. Will it be another gorgeous day? Let's check in with Wayne Hart for the weather.
Good morning, boys and girls. It's Wayne Hart from Eyewitness News, chief meteorologist, the guy in charge of the weather around here. And I'm here to let you know what kind of weather we're going to have for the next few days, including your weekend. And I know how much you want to get back to school, see your friends and see your teachers, but this is actually one of those mornings that it's probably better that you are staying home. You're not having to head out and deal with all this rain because it is a rainy Thursday morning. Not all that chilly. Temperatures will be in the 50s. And then this afternoon, the rain will slowly diminish and temperatures should be rebounding up into the lower 60s. Now let's take a look at the 7-day forecast because more changes are on the way. Just finished updating this here. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty decent day. We'll see some sun, temperatures in the upper 60s, and then more rain coming in mainly late Friday night. That's going to lead to another wet day on Saturday. The rain and diminishing later in the afternoon and kind of a chilly rain and a windy day, 61 for the high. Sunday will be the nicer weekend day with some sunshine, but still a little chilly with high temperatures around 60. So that's the latest on the weather, but more importantly, stay home, stay safe, stay well, and keep up with your studies because that will make next year all that much easier when hopefully school will finally be getting back to normal.
Thanks, Wayne Hart. Our Pacer focus this month is accountability, and our quote of the day is from Catherine Pulsifer. At the end of the day, we are accountable for ourselves. Our success is a result of what we do. There are many ways we can manage our emotions. My kiddos like to talk, and maybe you do too. Here is Quarantine Coping with Maddie and Jay.
Hello all, this is Quarantine Coping with Maddie and Jay. This time is both difficult and stressful for us all. We are here today to ask some middle schoolers some questions.
Yes, Maddie, we asked some 4 questions. The first one is, how is e-learning going for you? And what are your teachers doing that is fun and helping you learn?
E-learning is going fine, but it takes me a while to finish, especially math.
And what are your teachers doing that is fun and helping you learn?
My science teacher is telling us to look out the window and finding objects that relate to our science lesson.
All right, so how is e-learning going and what are the teachers doing to make it fun?
The first one is okay. I'm just not a fan of it. I'd rather be there. And the second one is we're doing it, but it's games going on. Like for math, it's Prodigy, and social studies, it's like Stack the States and that stuff.
E-learning is going well because even if we aren't at school, we are still learning the same lesson we would have learned in class. Teachers are making e-learning more fun by assigning fun websites and games to go with our work.
Thanks guys, it's important to keep learning throughout this time. If you have trouble, don't be afraid to contact your teachers. They're always here to help.
On to the next question. How does quarantine make you feel? And do your feelings change much throughout the day?
Quarantine makes me feel bored but safe.
How are you feeling about quarantine? Just one feeling, lots of feelings?
I just feel stuck, and sometimes I feel different, like have different feelings. But I get bored easily.
How does quarantine make you feel?
Sometimes it makes me feel upset, sad, and sometimes happy.
So your feelings change a lot during each day?
Yeah.
It is important to talk about your feelings. Don't be afraid to reach out.
Yes, it is. It is also important to take care of yourself. What exercises are you doing? Do you like to meditate?
What are you doing?
I I've been doing tennis, riding my bike, doing scooter, Wii sports. And I think that's
Do you
it.
like to meditate?
Not really.
What type of exercise are you doing?
I've been running and taking walks with my family and jumping on the trampoline.
Every day I either walk my dog or my family takes a long walk around our neighborhood, but I do not meditate.
I like to do most of those things. Some of my personal favorites are riding my bike, skateboarding, and I, however, do like to meditate.
And for our final question, what are you doing to keep busy?
To keep busy.
I am playing outside, jumping on the trampoline, taking walks, building Legos and forts, and watching a lot of TikToks.
To keep me busy, I play video games with friends and watch lots of TV.
I've been playing games. I've been playing with my brother and my guinea pig. And watching TV a lot and doing my schoolwork and talking to my friends.
We enjoyed talking to everyone.
Thank you for your time.
Stay positive and reach out if you need help.
Please reference the EVSC website for a list of grab-and-go lunch sites. Plaza families now have 3 locations to choose from on the east side: Stockwell, Hebron, and Kays. The EVSC is on air weekly and has partnered with WNIN Channel 9 to offer on-air lessons. Lessons will air on WNIN Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Lessons for grades 6, 7, and 8 will be on from 12 to 1. On your virtual assignments, check your due dates by looking on our Facebook page for a calendar of the assignments. The release dates and their due dates are both listed. A good way to remember your due date is to count 7 days ahead from when it was assigned. We have several special shout outs today. First, congratulations to our Students of the Month, Carson Stewart, Jamison Stevenson, and Micaiah Robertson. And our Teacher of the Month, Mrs. Kelly. Congratulations to all of you. A shout out to our amazing office staff, Mrs. Lubehusen and Mrs. Smith. Yesterday was Administrative Professional Day. We thank them for being our outstanding secretaries, for all their hard work behind the scenes. Thank you for all you do. Your warm welcome and bright smiles are so appreciated at Plaza. Some birthday shout outs to Benjamin Morgan and the famous William Shakespeare.
Happy birthday!
For our sporting entertainment here at the Bockelman House, we turn to our dogs. They actively participate in what we like to call the Jeter 500 and WWE. These events are daily and are of no charge to house members. Let's check in and see how last night's events went. Now let's check in with our judge to see if there was a clear winner. In addition to watching our crazy dogs get plenty of exercise, we've been going on lots of walks, doing some bike riding, practicing yoga, and we like to count Wii Sports. You should make sure that you're active for 60 minutes every day. For your fitness challenge, day 19, there's 19 push-ups, 95 squats, 75 crunches, 38 lunges. Be sure that you're doing something active every day. Next week is Spirit Week. Yes, that's right, Spirit Week. You get to show us your spirit by taking a picture each day of the Spirit Week assignment and posting it to our Instagram and Facebook pages. Here are your Spirit Week assignments for next week. Monday, we will have Movement Monday, Tropical Tuesday, What You Want to Be Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, Friends from Afar Friday. Each day, take a picture of what the assignment is and post it to our Facebook and Instagram. In addition, we encourage you to continue watching EVSC's Facebook page and ours for continued update for information. We appreciate your patience and understanding during these uncertain times. Practice social distancing, get plenty of exercise, drink lots of water, and make every day great. Have an awesome day, Pacers. I miss you all so much.